Hey everyone, and welcome back for another deep dive. Today
Yeah.
we're tackling something that I think a lot of us struggle with.
Ooh, yeah.
Spreadsheets.
I know.
I mean, who hasn't spent way too long trying to format a spreadsheet?
Oh,
Just
absolutely.
rows and columns and
Well, that's so many.
it seems
It
endless.
can feel very overwhelming sometimes.
Right.
Yeah.
But what if I told you there's this secret weapon
Oh.
that can totally change your spreadsheet game?
Okay, I'm intrigued.
This one keyboard shortcut that can save you so much time.
All right, let's hear it.
All right, so are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Crucial plus shift plus space.
Control plus shift plus space.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I know it sounds kind of basic, right?
Yeah, it does sound simple.
But it selects the entire worksheet,
Okay.
every single cell,
The whole thing.
all at once.
Wow.
I know, right?
That is powerful.
It is. So I think to really understand the power of this, we need to see it in action.
Absolutely. Let's
Yeah.
paint a picture. Imagine you've got this massive financial report,
Okay, yeah. Hundreds of rows.
hundreds of rows.
Yeah.
And you need to add
Like a 5% increase?
yes, 5% increase to every single cell,
Ooh.
right? The old way, you'd be sitting there dragging and dropping formulas forever,
Oh my gosh, it would take hours.
hours and hours. But with Control plus Shift plus Space, you just
Yeah.
hit that combo, select the whole sheet, type in your formula once.
Hold on. Done.
It's like magic.
It really is.
Right. But now I'm thinking, what about Control plus A?
Ah, good point.
Doesn't that do the same thing?
So that's where it gets a little tricky.
Okay.
Control plus A only selects what we call the active range.
Okay.
So that's the area where you've actually got data.
Okay.
Control plus shift plus space.
Yeah.
That selects the whole shebang, even all those empty cells way off to the side.
Even the ones you can't see.
Exactly. It's all about understanding the scope.
Ooh.
You know, like a surgeon needs to be precise.
Right.
You got to know exactly what you're selecting.
Yeah.
So it's like
Yeah.
Control plus shift plus space is for when you need to work on the whole thing.
Exactly.
And Control plus A is more for those specific little tasks.
It's like a scalpel.
Oh, yeah.
Very precise.
Like if you were working on a budget and you just wanted to select your expenses
Yeah.
to make a chart or something,
Perfect example.
that's when you'd use Control plus A.
You got it.
So our source actually called that the bonus tip.
It's a good one.
Yeah.
Having both of these shortcuts is super powerful.
Yeah.
You know, it's like having all the right tools.
Right.
It's not just about knowing them, it's about knowing when to use which one.
Oh, that's a good point.
Like a chef with their knives.
They don't just grab any knife.
Exactly. They choose the right one for the job.
So mastering these shortcuts is really what takes you to that next level.
That's where the real magic happens.
Yeah. So Control plus shift plus space, it's kind of a game changer.
It really is. From spreadsheet 0 to hero in just 3 keystrokes.
And the best part, this is just one example.
Oh.
There are so many keyboard shortcuts out there
Whole world of them.
that can help you with all sorts of things.
Absolutely. I challenge you. Think of 3 tasks that you do all the time in spreadsheets.
Okay.
And then do a quick search for shortcuts that can speed those up. You'll be amazed at how much time you can save.
That's a great challenge. Well, that's all the time we have for this deep dive. But keep exploring, keep learning, and keep those spreadsheets under control.
I like it.
Until next time.
Bye, everyone.